Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show step by step how you can use amazing CRM software called SalesMate. Now after watching this video you will know exactly how to use it. Now of course, if you're gonna have any questions regards SalesMate, like you want to learn about reports, automation, tasks, that something is not really clear to you, ask me down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to make videos on it. So without further ado, let's start. Let's click here, get started. And I'm going to add an email address. So I'm going for the email here. And we're going to start together. Okay, like this, get started. Now, first thing first, I'm going to add a first name, company, country, phone number, password, continue. Okay, and industry, this is going to be e-commerce, let's say. And 2 to 5 people. What do you do at Sunway? I'm founder. And what do you like to do with SalesMate? Let's say everything. Great. What tools do you currently use? If you want, you can like fill it out, but if you don't want, you can like skip this step. And now we are going to verify the email. Okay, that's something you have to do, and let's verify it. And now I'm going to show you how you can actually use it. And here we go. So in the moment when you are enter the SalesMate, you're gonna see a lot of stuff that you can do here. My definite recommendation is go step by step by importing your contacts, connecting your email, seeing your calendar. These are the basic things. Then sales pipeline, we will go there too. You can invite your team, use sequences, and quickly book meetings. So all of this is my recommendation definitely to do. Now, I'm going step by step and I'm going to show you what you can do in every single thing, but do this first. We are not going to do it together. My recommendation, do that. So first thing first, contacts. How you can, like you can import them or you can create a new. I'm going to create a new contact. So let's say this is going to be a Marcus client. Email is going to be like this. Then you can add Marcus company. If you don't have the company in your system, you can always create a new company, and who is the owner. You can add a website here and phone number. So this is how you can add a new company. Then you would add a job title, phone, other phone. You would also add an owner. And if it's a customer, if it's a lead, if it's a vendor, partner, competitor, reseller, or other. So I can say like, let's say it's customer or lead. You can have email opt-out, SMS opt-out, and have like social things, details, description, and address. Where are they from? Also the description about the client, the lead, or the competitor, some really important stuff. And then what you do is you just click save here. You can of course add a lot of contacts here, so you're free to like manage it as much as you want. Now when you would go further, the next step are companies. In companies, you can create a new company, but we already did it, or you can again import it. So I'm going to create a new company and just show you how it looks like. And look at this. You can have the name, the owner, again, the number of employees, the revenue. So you can fill here everything you need for the company. Now, when you got it and when you like finished it, the next step are activities. You can track your sales activity and you can go to top right and click plus activity. And here you can have like, okay, let's say I'm going to have a meeting with client. Now I can have a call, a task, a meeting, a demo. You can simply switch between these. Like what you're gonna actually choose. Let's say I can go with a meeting. When it's going to happen, let's go August 2nd. And let's say this is going to be from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Then availability, if I'm busy or free, I'm going to be busy. You can have also internal note here, owner and link records. If there is a deal, we don't have any deal yet, but we are going to add the contact. Let's say this is going to be the Marcus that we created and company Marcus company. It's directly added here. You can also add the followers and tags here. So this is how pretty much it works. Now I'm just going to click save. And voila, here I got it, meeting with client. You can always see it as a calendar when you're gonna switch between lists and calendar on the top. And you would click like August and you would see it right here. Now, when you have the activities, the next step are deals. In deals, you can create a new deal and of course you can import the deal. And I would add a title. Let's say this is a Marcus deal. Now I'm going to add a contact. And then I would add a company. Then owner, that's me. Estimate close date. Let's say this is going to be the Friday. Value 10,000 euro. Pipeline, if it's sales, stage, like which stage of the deal it's going to be, if it's going to be contact, qualified, proposal presented, negotiation, source, if it's going to be website, and priority high. So when I have it, I'm just going to click save here, and voila, here I got it. So here I have the deal. And I can simply move it if it's going to be contacted, qualified, proposal presented, negotiation. So I can simply click here and contact it and move it, right? So, and these are like my open deals, the all views here. Then what you can do is go on the top right, and my recommendation, you can manage the pipelines. So you can edit them how much you want. So I can click here, manage pipeline. And then I can simply move and change them. Win probability, the qualified probability, and negotiation probability, and everything what you see here. So these are the stages, and of course you can add a new stage next to the edit. So that's how we do it, and that's how pretty much it works. Now we can also, when you have the deals, the next step are going to be inbox. And in inbox, when you're gonna like sync your email, you don't have to go to Gmail or your company email. You will find everything here. So this is why the SalesMate is really amazing on how much it can work for you. So yeah, then you have also the team inbox that you can add the text. So enable calling, and then you will have reports of everything. So this is also really amazing. And the next thing I want to show you are automate entire customer journey. And let's see. So what is going to happen and how it actually works. So you have triggers, you have conditions, you have actions. So you're gonna see the record created, field update, deal stage match, activity complete, email unsubscribed, email activity. So let's say when there is a record created, let's say select record type contact. Okay, when there is a contact, what is going to happen? We can also have condition. We have gonna action. We're gonna send email, right? Like this, and we are going to be here. When it's created, we're gonna send email, And email, if you're gonna have templates, you will find it right here. So hi client, and I would like start typing here, etc. This is just like how it works. Then you're gonna have like from email, if you're gonna have like your own email, you would find it right here. You can also track emails, open and clicks. Now click save. Okay, when you would have it, and when you have the sent email, this is just like a tutorial here. You can also, let's say, add to list or change score. And now you have also initiation stickers, etc. So let's say this is the first one. Then we would have a second one. So let's say when there, let's say it's going to be deal stage match. When there is a contacted, what I'm going to do, I can simply have action, which is going to be like add to list or add a sequence, and have like sequence of a lot of emails, right? So that's pretty much it, how it works and how you can work with it. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you. This is pretty much it, how we can use the SalesMate. It's amazing software. And yeah, I can go even deeper to automations. This is like introduction. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.